Hello everyone. Today I'm just gonna be doing a beginning tutorial for beginners. I'm not gonna go too super into detail. There's obviously more things you can do to help your success in affiliate marketing. I will make those in the future. These are meant just for beginners, just something to help get you started. And yes, you can always change things in the future once you learn more, but this is just the very basics. I'm gonna make it as quick and easy to understand as possible. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to find a niche. So whatever you're interested in, like cooking, food and wine, computers and internet, business investing, health and fitness is a good one. Definitely health and fitness and food are good, along with e-businesses and e-marketing. I'm going to be doing the 12-minute affiliate system. So, and this is also a monthly recurring commission, meaning that every month, if they're still subscribed, you will get payments every month. So we want to promote this product so that people will click on it and then hopefully buy it, and then we receive a commission. So the gravity here, you do want to check out for gravity. So right here, as you can see, the gravity is 102. So it shows that it's selling. It shows that people are interested in buying this. So it does show that people are buying this, and so we want to promote this. And then the next thing you want to do is you want to create a Pinterest account. And when you sign up, it's pretty self-explanatory. It will ask you what are some categories you're interested in. I clicked on personal finance and all the things related to my niche because I'm doing finance. Then what you want to do, I already did it down here, is you want to create a board. So you just go over here, you click create a board. If you're doing health and fitness, you could click here and just type in, maybe you're promoting a keto diet, so you could type in keto recipes. And you just want to create a board, whichever is similar to your niche. You just want to change your name to whatever you're promoting. I'm personally fine with this name, and I'm just using this Pinterest as an example for the video. As you can see, I just signed up. I got no followers. I'm not even following anybody. So, and then I just typed in, for my bio, I just made it quick, just online business advice here. That's basically just what I did. Just simple, and it should get the job done for now. Alright. So I got a product in mind I want to promote. And now what I'm going to do is, sorry, searched it, affiliate market. See, so you type in affiliate marketing and you want to say what people are saying. Okay, so affiliate marketing for beginners shows up a lot. So it shows that people are searching for that. Affiliate marketing programs, affiliate marketing tips. So we kind of want to use these keywords, and the next thing we're going to do is we're going to create a pin. So to create a pin, we're just going to use canva.com, and you just create an account. It's free. Yes, you can pay if you want more stuff, but however, we're not going to do that. I'm just going to use the free version. You can overpay if you want to. Okay, so you're going to come here. Okay, so you type in Pinterest pin at the search bar, and it will get you to a Pinterest pin. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to look up, what's related to our niche. So we're trying to promote affiliate marketing. Okay, so I'm just going to type in, I already did type in, working on computer. Okay, so I'm just going to have a picture of someone working on the computer. And these are free. Now, some of these, like this one, as you can see, it has watermarks on it. Yes, you have to pay to use those. But this one, however, is free to use. So we're going to use that. And then we're going to create a heading. And, okay, so affiliate marketing for beginners showed up a lot. And affiliate marketing tips showed up a lot. Okay, so we're going to make a heading. And we're just going to type in affiliate marketing for beginners. Oops. And also affiliate marketing tips came up. So I'm going to add affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Alright. So there we go, we got that. Now we're just going to I like to make it red because it stands out more. And you can actually change the type of font. You can change the style of the font. You can do all sorts of stuff to make it look nice. But I'm just going to go with this just for the video, just because I don't want to waste too much time doing that. Yeah, so you can decide, you can decorate it as much as you like. Do whatever you think is best. Okay? And then I'm just gonna put down get started. Wait, hold on, get started now. Okay. Now, here we go. Now that looks pretty good. Now you're gonna click this arrow right here, and you're just gonna click download. Alright. So, affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Okay, I'm just going to name it that. Okay, now that should be saved. And I definitely would add a profile picture. I don't know if I mentioned that already, but I forgot to do that. Now we're going to do create a pin. And now we're going to add this. We're going to add our affiliate marketing tips for beginners. Get started now. Now this is the pin that we created. Now I'm just going to add the title, affiliate marketing tips. Or no, actually I'm going to do beginner affiliate marketing tips. Alright, now you want to tell everybody what your pin is about. Okay? So I'm gonna say something. So if you're doing like a keto diet or just a fitness diet, you want to describe what it is. Okay? So we're gonna do, okay, affiliate marketing is a fun and interesting, I won't say that, I'll say something more professional. Affiliate marketing can be quite tough for beginners. There is certain marketing tactics and tricks to help gain traffic and customers. Actually, I'll do a little and get commissions. I'll just make it easy and get sales. Okay. Now, I'm not going to just put this in yet. You want a destination link. Now, you don't really want to just directly link your affiliate page because some websites don't really like that. Also, you can make an email list landing page, which I'm not going to do in this video. That definitely is something that you should do in the future. But for right now, you just want to make a website. Now, you can use Google Sites. You can use Wix. But I'm just going to use Google Sites just for being basic. Obviously, the better website software you have, better quality, that would be preferred. But I'm just going to just do it basically. So, okay? So, went to Google Sites, and let's do this. Just gonna make it affiliate marketing tips. All right, tips to Tips for affiliate marketing. Okay. Alright. Well, I just decided to go and just make the website because I didn't want to make you sit here and watch me make the whole website. So basically, I just did beginner tips for affiliate marketing, like start a blog, create YouTube videos, and then I gave some methods for paid traffic. And right now, I'm getting ready to add the link for my affiliate product. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to go to the Clickbank marketplace. I'm going to click promote. Alright, now I'm going to click generate hop links. Alright, I'm going to click this button. Now my affiliate link has been copied. Okay, so now I'm just going to go to the website here. I'm going to just do insert link, paste the link here, and for text I'm going to do the 12-minute affiliate system. Alright. Actually, I'm going to edit that link. I'm just going to do the 12-minute affiliate system. I'll just capitalize affiliate. Alright. So anyway, now we're going to publish this site. Okay. I'm going to click publish. And now we're going to click copy publish site link. Okay, so we're going to copy the link. And now we added all of our stuff to our pin. Now we're going to click save. And now the next thing you want to do is we have this thing pinned. Now we want to add some other people's products that are similar to us. Okay, so we're going to click save. And I only have one board, so it's going to go towards, my online business board. Okay, so we're going to click this. And next thing, another thing you want to do is click follow. Because we want to follow people that are similar in interest to what we're doing, okay? So now we're going to just click follow. Can I follow myself? Well, why not? I'll follow myself. And you don't want to do too many because Pinterest will only let you follow so many people at once. So you just want to do this a little bit every day. And you want to just save people's posts. You just want to save a few every single day. So I'm going to save this to here. Online business save. And another thing that we're going to do that you can do is we're going to you can make more pins on here and direct it to the same link. So instead of this, you could just change the wording, maybe change the background, do something like work from home, get started now, and then change the background, and then just, do the similar thing, except you got different pictures. You don't want to make the pins the same, or you can promote other pins and make a different website of other products that are in the similar niche. Alright, so then the goal is, you get your followers. I should change my profile image, which I'll do shortly. And then when they click on this, they're going to go to the site. Then they're going to see this website. And then when they click here, okay, it's going to go to your affiliate link. And that's basically how it's done. Thank you very much for watching. I really hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, just let me know. And thank you very much. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to add. To get the free images for your website, go to Unsplash, and as you can see, these are all free stock images. So, you just go to Unsplash. If you're doing, let's say you're doing a health and fitness page, so we'll just do exercise. Okay, I spelled that wrong. Exercise. Did I just spell it wrong again? There we go. I was just mistyping. Okay, so if you're doing like a weight loss product, you could post images on here. I just did working on computer for mine. And then, I got pictures of people working. Anyway, thank you very much. I really hope this helped you out. And should be good. And have a nice day. Yeah, these are just some of the images I was using to make my website. Alright, so thank you very much.